Creative XF1 Review, a premium high-resolution desktop speaker system for music, gaming, and entertainment. In the world of desktop audio, users are constantly looking for speakers that can deliver powerful sound without taking up too much space. The Creative XF1 is designed to meet that demand by combining high-resolution audio performance, modern connectivity, and an elegant desktop-friendly design. Built for music lovers, gamers, content creators, and everyday users, the Creative XF1 delivers an impressive stereo experience with advanced audio technology. Premium design and desktop-friendly build, the Creative XF1 features a sleek and modern speaker design that fits naturally into professional workspaces, gaming desks, and home entertainment setups. Its compact 2.0 stereo configuration provides powerful sound while maintaining a clean and minimal appearance. Each speaker is carefully engineered with a sturdy enclosure to reduce unwanted vibration and improve audio clarity. The included angled cork stands help position the speakers correctly toward the listener, creating a wider soundstage and a more immersive listening experience. The front-facing controls provide easy access to volume adjustment and source switching, making everyday use simple and convenient. Whether placed beside a monitor, laptop, or television, the XF1 blends performance with style. Powerful 7.2 WRMS audio performance. The biggest highlight of the Creative XF1 is its impressive audio output. With up to 72 West RMS power, these speakers provide strong, room-filling sound that goes beyond typical desktop speakers. The system uses a bi-amplified design, allowing separate amplification for different frequency ranges. This helps produce clearer highs, balanced mids, and deeper bass with reduced distortion. The specially designed woofer delivers improved low-frequency performance, adding more impact to music, movies, and games. Bass feels fuller and more controlled, while vocals and instruments remain detailed and natural. For users upgrading from built-in laptop speakers or basic computer speakers, the difference in sound quality is immediately noticeable. High-resolution audio support. The Creative XF1 is built for listeners who want more detail from their audio. Through USB-C digital audio, the speakers support high-resolution playback, allowing compatible devices to deliver cleaner and more accurate sound. High-resolution audio support makes the XF1 suitable for lossless music streaming, high-quality audio files, movie soundtracks, gaming audio. Creative work such as video editing, the speakers are designed to reproduce a wider range of frequencies, helping listeners experience more detail and depth in their favorite content. Bluetooth 6.0 and flexible connectivity. Modern users need flexible connection options, and the Creative XF1 delivers with multiple input methods. The speakers support Bluetooth 6.0, USB-C digital audio AUX input, wired connections. Bluetooth 6.0 provides a reliable wireless connection, while LDAC support allows compatible smartphones and devices to stream higher quality wireless audio. This makes the XF1 ideal for switching between different devices. You can connect a computer for work, a smartphone for music, or a gaming setup without constantly changing equipment. Custom sound with Creative Nexus app. One of the strongest features of the Creative XF1 is software customization. Using the Creative Nexus app, users can adjust audio settings and personalize the listening experience. The app provides 10-band EQ customization, sound profiles, audio adjustments, desktop listening optimization. This allows users to fine-tune the speakers depending on their needs. For example, gamers can enhance certain sound details, while music listeners can adjust the balance for a warmer or more detailed sound. Gaming and entertainment experience. For gaming, the Creative XF1 creates a wide stereo image that improves immersion. Footsteps, environmental sounds, explosions, and background details feel more noticeable compared with standard desktop speakers. Although it is not a surround sound system, the strong stereo separation provides an enjoyable gaming experience without requiring multiple speakers. For movies and streaming content, the powerful output and enhanced bass make the XF1 a great alternative to built-in TV or monitor speakers. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful 72 West RMS stereo output, high-resolution audio support, Bluetooth 6.0 with LDAC, USB-C digital connection, Custom EQ through Creative Nexus app, premium desktop design. Great for music, gaming, and movies. Cons. No separate subwoofer included, not a true surround sound system, requires more desk space than compact speakers. Final verdict. The Creative XF1 is a powerful and versatile desktop speaker system that successfully combines premium sound quality with modern features. Its high-resolution audio support, strong 72 West RMS output, Bluetooth 6.0 connectivity, and customizable EQ settings make it a serious upgrade over traditional PC speakers. Whether you are listening to music, watching movies, gaming, or working on creative projects, the Creative XF1 provides detailed audio, impressive bass, and a clean, desktop-friendly design. For anyone searching for a premium stereo speaker system that offers both performance and convenience, the Creative XF1 is an excellent choice.